Let's go ahead and look at our problem of the day. Find the perimeter of the shape by first finding the missing side lengths. So what are we trying to find here? Say it to your screen. That's right, we're trying to find the perimeter. What do we need to find first? Say it out loud. We need to first find the missing side lengths. And in this case, there are two. This is important because the perimeter is the total distance around the outside of the shape. And we need to add together all the sides to find the perimeter. Let me show you how a scholar last year started to find the missing side lengths. First, the scholar partitioned the shape like this. Why do you think that scholar partitioned the shape like this? Say it to your screen. That sounds like a good idea. We know that if we have rectangles, we can use what we know about the shape, like, for example, the opposite sides are equal, to find the missing sides. So when we're finding missing side lengths with irregular shapes, like this one, our first step is always to partition the shape into regular shapes to make it easier to work with. Okay, so now that we have two rectangular shapes, how can we determine the missing side lengths? Say it to your screen. Interesting. Well, we know from our work in previous lessons that with rectangles, the opposite sides are equal. So we know that the missing side length here, from this corner to this corner, is 4 centimeters. The reason we know that is because if this side length is 3, then this side length also has to be 3. And if this side length is 1, then this side length is also 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So when we combine both sides, 3 plus 1, we get 4. Good thinking. How about the missing side length on top? Interesting. This side length here is 5 centimeters. And this piece is 2 centimeters. So we might remember that 5 minus 2 equals 3. So this piece is 3 centimeters, which means this side length up here is also 3 centimeters. Smart. We can use the sides that are known and think, how can I use the attributes of shapes to find the missing sides? Let's write that down. How can I use the attributes or the characteristics of the shape to find the missing side lengths or the missing sides? And in our previous lesson, we learned that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. We also learned that squares have 4 equal sides. Great work. Are we done? Did we answer the question? Say it to your screen. No, not yet. We need to find the perimeter of the shape. First, we had to find the missing sides. What equation could we write to find the perimeter? And why does it work? We can use perimeter as capital P. Say it to your screen. Great job. We can say that perimeter is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. Then we can add all of the side lengths to find the perimeter. Go ahead and add on your paper while I add on the screen. I'm going to combine to make some fewer add-ins. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Then I can combine again because 5 plus 6 is 11. So perimeter is equal to 11 plus 7. What's 11 plus 7? Say it out loud. That's right, it's 18. We also want to make sure we have the correct unit. Each side length is in centimeters, so our perimeter is 18 centimeters. So today, you will use your knowledge of rectangles and opposite sides being equal to help you find the missing side lengths before you combine all the side lengths to find the perimeter.